Hi, my name is Lynette, and I just completed my Master Gardener volunteer class in Broward County, and I am happy because I've always wanted to learn more about how to take care of my garden and local community gardens. I learned so much. One of my favorite takeaways from the class is learning about Florida-friendly landscapes. One of my favorite takeaways about the Florida Friendly Landscape Program is attracting and protecting Florida wildlife and having a garden where the pollinators and the birds can have food and shelter, and conserving the natural landscape of Florida. One of the things is I recommend this Florida Master Gardener program because I met an amazing group of people, and we all love gardening, and we got to work in local community gardens, and it is very rewarding to learn and then help build community.